Mower Sales, Servicing and Repairs, Gold Coast, Queensland. Offered to the market for the first time, Newman Mower Centre offers clear avenues for significant growth. The business sits at the forefront of the industry, continually adding new services and products to suit its diverse clientele. Newman Mower Centre offers a significant competitive advantage, strong market standing, and excellent supplier network. This easy-to-run business is located in a high-growth, sought-after coastal location, just 3 minutes from the M1 highway. This is a one-stop shop for the sale, service, repair and maintenance of a huge range of gardening equipment. Well positioned in Currumbin waters, the business is an authorised warranty agent for all leading brands. With residential and commercial development on the Gold Coast set to soar, you'll never be short of customers.